Hey guys, Ari here. We're going to be unboxing BTS's Memories of 2014. This is a DVD set of like 2 of their concerts, their Muster as well as their Red Bullet concerts. Just comes in that little sleeve. And then you get your CDs. So your first one's going to be your Army Muster. And then we have our BTS trilogy. This has got your Red Bullet. And then our special features disc. That's basically all your like behind the scenes, things like that. Here it kind of tells you on the back. It's like your song list for the Red Bullet concert, your song list for the Muster, as well as your making film. And then the last special feature disc is just the making and preparations for the Red Bullet. And then we got a photo book. So just like concert pictures, behind the scenes stuff of them getting ready. It's for the Muster. Concerts are really, really good. I've already watched it maybe 2 or 3 times. Both the Muster and the Red Bullet. The concerts, they're really good. I found a couple songs by them that I was on the fence about, whether, you know, I really liked it, played it a lot, or not, and watching it live really made me fall in love with the songs even more. We got the concert. This is still the Muster concert. They're little monsters. I think my favorite part of the Muster is when they break into their "We Are Bulletproof" song. It was really, really cool. It's in Germany. I don't know what's going on with Brat Monster's hair there. And J-Hope and Jin. Really like when V sings more ballad type songs, because then you can really get to hear that soulful tone he has. I know there's a song on their YouTube channel called Hug Me, I think it is. He collaborates with J-Hope on it. And it is so good. Getting to hear V sing like that. And there's Jimin, flashing his abs. I think this is really cool that they do that at the end of the concerts. Brazil. That's cute. They seem very much like a legit family. Like it's one big, almost Jackson 5-ish style, where they're all family. Decided to make a band. Oh, high touch. BTS. Oh. Oops. This looks like Jungkook graduated. The flowers. Thanks. Rehearsal for the Red Bullet. It was really nice to watch the video, the behind the scenes stuff, you know, the preparation, and see how much work they actually put in to trying to put on an amazing concert for the fans. And the concert. I can tell just by some of these moves what songs they're playing or singing. And then it just starts playing in my head. Oh, J-Hope. That's their embarrassed one. That's cute. And little Jungkook pops out from underneath the covers. That was cute. We got like our credits. And that's the book. I'll leave the CD this way. So this was BTS's Memories of 2014. It's got 2 concerts on here. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this and the photo book. And until the next unboxing, bye guys!